Occupational therapy is a profession that helps people return to being independent in their daily activities.
And that can be anything from brushing teeth to a child playing to somebody actually working. As an occupational therapist, I have a lot of fun playing with my clients, the young children that I work with. Other professionals in my team come into my sessions and say, "Why are you just playing with those clients?" And so it's really rewarding and fun.
So a lot of people are confused about the difference between occupational therapy and physical therapy. And I like to give the analogy of physical therapists help people walk to the door, occupational therapists help people open it. So occupational therapists work on a lot of using their upper body for things, but also being able to do everyday activities, functional activities. Physical therapists work a lot on ambulation, walking, and also physical strength. I think when you're interested in getting into healthcare in general, I think it's really important to job shadow, just so you can see whether or not it would be a good fit for your personality.
One of the most positive aspects of my career is that there's so many different areas that we can go into, anywhere from working with young children to older adults.
Some of I guess the struggles of being an occupational therapist is sometimes you see people go through some really horrible things. People that have been in incredible car accidents, people that have had strokes. I know that my first year as an occupational therapist, there were many days I came home and cried, just because it was so hard to see people struggling so much. However, there were the days also I came home and celebrated because now there were these incredible victories that they had made. Some personality traits and skills that I think are essential to be an occupational therapist is, number one, you have to be creative. Because one of the things that you do as an occupational therapist is you think about, okay, so my patient is paralyzed and say they only have the use of one hand, how can they do things differently?
As a new graduate, on average, depending on what area you work in and what clients you work with, you can make anywhere from $60,000 a year, high-end around $80,000 a year. As you mature in your career, you can make up over $100,000.
What drives me to go to work every day is not the paycheck. And I think that's so important when you choose your career. You want something that every day you come home thinking, wow, you know, this was so rewarding.